Hi and welcome to DFM. Today I'm going to walk you through the Controller Service tab. To get started, navigate to the Controller Service section where you'll see a list of all controller services currently available in DFM. For each service, you'll find a settings icon that allows you to configure its properties. You can update an existing property or add a new one using the Add Property feature. For example, I'm adding a new property here. After setting a value and clicking Save, the property is successfully added and appears in the list. To apply the changes, simply click Apply. Additionally, you can enable or disable services directly from this section. To do so, use the lightning icon next to each controller service. By clicking on it, the service is enabled. Here you can see that the reader is now enabled successfully. If you need to remove a controller service, you can use the Delete button. For instance, I'm deleting this service, and as you can see, it's successfully removed. You also have the option to add an external controller service using the Add button. Let's say I wanted to add a DBCP Connection Pool. I select it, add it, and now the controller service is successfully added. Initially, the service will be in an invalid state, but once properly configured, it will switch to a valid state. And that's all about controller service in DFM. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one.